So, I know we've touched on this before. I'd like to touch on it again. Notice our valve cover gaskets here. Have they been replaced? Yes. Are they sealing? Not really. Only on top they are, because they're sticking out and they've been silicone bombed. But they're still leaking on the bottom. So all that goodness needs to come off. This intake plenum, that's leaking coolant, as you can see down over there. Some more lovely silver silicone fun time. All in good fun, I swear. And then there's hacky wire that we touched on a little bit ago. So much fun. So much fun. Because people just don't care. The thermal vacuum switch has a broken titty. That's cute. It just keeps getting better, boys and girls. Now that we've got all the suspension stuff pretty much taken care of, and then we're up here on the top side of things, we have to deal with the rest of people's messes. So much fun. So much enjoyable fun.